Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy traditional champurrado. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so first we're going to begin by dissolving our piloncillo. In a small pot, we're going to add our piloncillo along with our 4 whole cloves, a cinnamon stick, break it in half. We're going to add 2 cups of water, set it at medium-high heat, and allow the piloncillo to dissolve. Okay, and once the piloncillo has fully dissolved, we're going to strain it into our blender cup. Okay, now into our blender cup, we're also going to be adding our Mexican chocolate tablet and just allow that to dissolve. Meanwhile, we toast our Maseca. So we're just going to grab our small skillet over medium heat. We're going to add a half a cup of Maseca and we're just going to lightly toast it. You do not want to burn it because otherwise, once you burn it, your champurrado is going to be no good. It will taste burnt. So just kind of toast it lightly. So give it about a couple minutes. And once it begins to turn color, it will be ready. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our Maseca is done. So we're going to transfer it to our blender cup. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to blend it. Okay, to our blender cup, we're going to add our 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla blend, and 3 cups of milk. Okay, now we're just going to blend it until smooth. Okay, and once it's nice and smooth, we're going to take it back to our pot. Okay, so return it to our pot over medium heat, and we're just going to pour a mixture. And make sure that you're whisking as you're pouring. And just look at how frothy it is already. So just make sure that you're mixing it until it begins to come to a simmer. Okay, and I'm just going to be whisking with my molinillo, just so like that I could prevent the Maseca from clumping. And when you make the champurrado, you have to stay next to it, so like that it doesn't overspill. And you just want to keep an eye on it. And don't stop whisking. Okay, and after 5 minutes, my champurrado has reached my desired thickness. Of course, if you want your champurrado to be thicker, then just allow it to continue cooking. Otherwise, if you want it thinner, then just add more milk. But for me, this is perfect. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Get your tamales, your pan dulce, your bolillo bread, or just enjoy it like that. But let me tell you that I am so ready. This recipe is seriously super quick, super easy to make. It's really hard to mess it up. You know, you have to stay by the pot and just keep an eye on it. You don't want this to overfill. But other than that, it's seriously so perfect and it's the best. Now, of course, if you don't like your drink to be very sweet, then you can just use half of the piloncillo. But for me, this is just enjoyable and it's just, like I said, perfect. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And it is so frothy. It's just perfect. Christmas in a cup. Perfection. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious champurrado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.